Hi there, welcome to another Cycle Tech Review unboxing, and we've got a box this week. It's a big box. It's from Aqua2go. Aqua2go, wherever you go. What is it? It's a portable power washer, portable jet washer. It's muddy, you're taking your bike out, you want to throw it back in the car, but it's covered in mud and you don't want to get your car all dirty. Portable jet washer. Clean your bike down in the car. Nice. I'm also looking at it from the point of view of cyclocross is starting properly now. The mud's there, bikes are dirty. I haven't actually raced this year, but I'm thinking I can convince one of my boys, one of my sons, to be in the pits with a portable jet washer, giving my bike a little spray in between each lap. Whether it'll actually work or whether it'll be strong enough, that's the question. But only time will tell. I'll be reviewing it and I'll let you know how it does work. And see if I can convince my sons to come and stand in a muddy cyclocross pit for an hour while their dad huffs and puffs around the course. But let's get inside the box and see what we've got. It's a big one. There's the first bit. We can see the box. Let's get it out. Okay, there we go, the Aqua2go Pro, not just a normal one, but a Pro one. It's a Dutch company, Aqua2go. You can get it over here in the UK. It's not as straightforward thanks to something known as Brexit, but Aqua2go are looking to sort that out, and hopefully we'll be able to get them over here without having to pay a bit extra. Okay, we've got the hose. An interesting box. An accessory brush. Aha, more bits. Looks like the actual gun itself, instructions and various adapters for your hose. Well, there's the actual unit itself. It's got some nice wheels on it, so that's carryable. Nice extendable arm there. That's where you fill her up. Nice and straightforward. Nothing interesting in there. Got a lock, a little storage piece there, that's for keeping your hose together. Now the next bit we've got to find is the actual power, which is in another box. Just going to go get it. It's a bit of a struggle. Packaging, empty box. There we have the actual power behind it. Comes as quite a handy little item because you've got a light built into it. It'll also work as a power bank, so as well as powering this for up to 30 minutes, 20 litres of water in there, which apparently this can keep working for 30 minutes, but it'll also work as a standalone light. This torch apparently pulls out. Let's have a look. There we go. So you've got a little handy torch if you should need it. That slots back into there. On-off switch there. Oh, it's powered up as well. Let's just check that, shall we? Yep, comes powered. Yep, that's difficult. Switching on and off. little flash. Oh yeah, there you go. It's got different modes depending on what you want to do. It's charging it already, but I don't have any water in there. So, there we go. You've got a DC 12-volt charger that can go in there, which I guess we'll have a look in here. Only a Euro charger, unfortunately. I spoke to the guys at Aqua2go, and they are going to start supplying these if they're coming to the UK with a UK adapter. But it's fairly easy to buy an adapter over here. And that, I guess, where does that plug in? I don't look at the instructions. It's always good to read the instructions on these things before you actually start fiddling around. But yeah, Aqua2go. So that's the, let's put him over there. You've got your instruction booklet, some interesting washers. So you can actually run it off your car, off your 12-volt supply, which is what this little one here was for. That's so you can run that from your car. If you run out of charge, you can charge it up, which is handy. There's the actual spigot, the gun, quite nice, small. Looks like it's got an adjustable, twistable head, so that'll change the jet that comes out. Quite handy. What else we got in here? A handle. Don't know what that does. We'll find out. Various adapters for different types of hose, depending on what you're connecting to, what kind of water supply. And a leash. That's some kind of thing. We'll find out what that is as well. And some more spares. So it looks like you're fully covered with spares, adapters. Like I said, there's the actual hose itself. I would say there's 2 to 3 meters there of hose. That should be enough to keep you going. You can also, as well as running this from its own internal supply, which I'm guessing is what this is for, you can also attach this and then have it running from, say, a bucket, a bowser, or maybe even from a river, and it will suck water through, so you basically have an endless supply of water. So that's quite handy, and I'm guessing you can also do the same by running it from a tap, depending where you are, if you're camping, or like say if you're at a race, or you're just in the car park trying to clean your car. So you can have your 20 litres of water in there, but then if you have another source of water, like say a river or a bucket or whatever, then you could also keep going for a bit longer, because you've got 30 minutes of charge in there, so you can easily, 30 minutes you're easily going to get through 20 litres of water. So that's quite a handy little tool. Like I say, I'm going to have to look at the instructions. There's nothing worse than opening something electrical and not knowing what you're doing with it. I can see how to charge it up using the 12 volt, but I can't see how you charge it without getting the instructions out. This piece, just looking at the pictures they have, will fit in there, I'm guessing. There we go. So you've got the handle there, you've got your torch there, and it's all ready to go. And then you've got your carry handle here. Very nice, neat little unit. I'll take it out over the weekend, get my bikes muddy, dirty, maybe even myself, and then give ourselves a quick wash down afterwards, and then I'll let you know how we get on. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.